Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix unable to accept payments on Cash App. First, confirm your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent transactions. Next, make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version available in your App Store. Finally, visit the Cash App status page online to see if there are any widespread service issues affecting payments. These initial checks resolve many common problems. Your account verification status is crucial. Fully verify your identity by providing the requested information, which often includes your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Also, be aware of Cash App's limits. For unverified accounts, receiving limits are typically $1,000 per week. Ensure your linked bank account or debit card is active and has not expired. If the problem persists, try clearing your Cash App's cache and data from your phone settings. This can resolve minor glitches. Consider linking an alternative bank account or debit card to see if the issue is with your primary linked method. Also, communicate with the sender to confirm their payment method is valid and that they have enough funds available to complete the transaction successfully. If you've tried these steps and are still unable to accept payments, it's time to contact Cash App support. Be prepared to provide specific details, such as the exact error message you're seeing and the date and time the issue occurred. Remember to regularly monitor your transaction history for any suspicious activity, which can help prevent future payment acceptance problems and keep your account secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.